Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making smoothie, weight gain smoothie. This is a requested video from one of the subscribers. He wanted to gain weight fast. So this is the healthiest way to gain weight within 1 week. Trust me, the ingredients are really healthy. So come with me and let's make this delicious healthy weight gain smoothie. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's make this smoothie together. Come. Guys, for our ingredients, we'll be needing our peanuts, dates, cinnamon, oats, chia seed, pumpkin seed or melon seed, almonds. This is our own homemade coconut milk that we made. Look, it looks so good. And bananas. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our weight gain smoothie. If you want to gain weight fast within 1 week or 3 days, go for this smoothie and you are going to gain weight naturally. Always watch out for your dates. This date has seed in it. Some are seedless, but this one has seed in it. I'll go ahead and put them together with my chia seed. Go ahead and add milk. We need to soak this chia seed together with the dates for 15 minutes before. It's always important because and also the oats. I'll go ahead and add milk and also soak our oats and the chia seed. But the most important is the chia seed because the chia seed will always enlarge. Once you don't, it needs to enlarge itself, guys. It's very, very important to prove a little bit, and after it has enlarged itself, you just add it to the blender. Otherwise, some people eat chia seed and they get constipation because it's enlarged in their stomach. So it's always important for you to soak it before using it. You can see that our chia seed has increased in volume. It looks so good. So this is very good for your digestion. And then our oatmeal is also good. That's also increased in volume. I'll go ahead and add them to the blender for blending. I'll go in with my oatmeal, almonds and the pumpkin seed. We'll go in with our cinnamon, with our banana. These are local banana from Ghana, guys. The local ones, they are so good and delicious. And then we'll go in with our milk. Shake it, shake it, shake it. This is our homemade coconut milk, but you can also use any milk of your choice. And then we'll go in with our peanut. This is unsalted peanuts. Up and blend. It's ready, guys. So we are going to serve. This is just under 2 minutes. This does not take long. Really. A perfect smoothie. It does not really take long. Just a few minutes and then it's ready. Let's go ahead, guys, and serve our smoothie. You can serve it on a block of ice if you want it cold, but we are drinking it like this, guys. Look at this. So good. Then we'll go ahead and serve the second one. It looks so good. And this will make you gain weight within 2 or 3 days, guys. You are going to gain like a healthy weight, not bad ones, healthy one, because all these ingredients here are really healthy ingredients. Let's go ahead and garnish it with some peanuts on top. Shoot with some peanuts, and you see how thick it is. The peanut did not even go inside, it's still on top of it. It looks so good, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy weight gain smoothie. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss.